For years, the Tesla Cybertruck felt more like a sci-fi movie prop than a real vehicle. It was this wild stainless steel promise. But now it's actually here, and it landed with claims that it would pretty much revolutionize the entire pickup truck world. So today, we're cutting right through all that hype. Our mission is simple. We're going to put the official claims to the test and see what happens when this beast finally meets the real world. So here's our game plan. First, we're going to look at what Tesla promised, the official numbers. Then we'll take it into the city and see if it can even handle the daily grind. After that, we're heading out to push its limits as a work and adventure vehicle. We'll dig deep into the hard numbers with a major range reality check. And finally, we'll give our verdict on who this truck is actually for.
All right, first things first, we need to set the baseline. These are the on-paper specs, right? The numbers that Tesla used to build the entire legend of the Cybertruck. This is the bar we're measuring everything against.
And let me tell you, these claims are huge. A 340-mile range, that's impressive for any EV, let alone a massive truck like this. An 11,000-pound towing capacity, that puts it right in the ring with traditional gas-powered workhorses. And then there's the supercar-like acceleration, hitting 60 in just 4.1 seconds. These are the big, flashy numbers Tesla wants you to remember. Now, let's see how they hold up. Okay, so on to our first test. How does this absolute behemoth, which seriously looks like it just rolled off a movie set, actually handle the toughest environment of all? I'm talking about the daily grind of city life.
So, this is the big question, isn't it? For a vehicle that looks like it belongs on Mars, can you actually live with it here on Earth? Can you park it? Can you get through tight city streets without causing a 5-car pileup? Let's find out.
Well, the Cybertruck has a secret weapon in the city: 4-wheel steering. Just look at this chart. It compares its turning radius to a Ram 1500 and a Tesla Model X. It needs over 4.5 feet less space to make a U-turn than the Ram. That is a huge, huge difference, and it makes it surprisingly nimble in tight spots. It's a real game changer for a vehicle this big. But city living isn't just about turning circles. And when you start using the Cybertruck for just, normal stuff, you run into some sharp edges. And I mean that literally. One reviewer from the Autopian was just loading some plants into the bed and got sliced open by the super sharp stainless steel edge. It sounds like a small thing, but it highlights a really bizarre and kind of painful design flaw for a work truck. All right, we are leaving the pavement behind. A truck isn't just for getting groceries. It's a tool. It's a vehicle for adventure. So how does the Cybertruck actually perform when we ask it to do real truck things? This Cybertruck is full of clever ideas. You've got secure storage under the bed and in the frunk. The air suspension is cool. It lets you lower the whole truck for easier looting. And owners seem to love this wade mode for crossing water. But there's a flip side. Long-term users complain about just how bad the visibility is. And that supposedly bulletproof body, well, it turns out it scratches surprisingly easily, which is a tough pill to swallow for a truck that's built to be rugged. And this brings us to its biggest test as a workhorse: towing. In one test, they hooked up a trailer at its maximum claimed capacity of 11,000 pounds. The Cybertruck's real-world range just fell off a cliff. It managed only 86 miles before needing a charge. Let that sink in for a second. 86 miles. Okay, so let's move on to the single most critical number for any EV, and the one that causes the most anxiety: range. We are putting the Cybertruck's endurance claims under the microscope to see what the data really, truly says. This is the official number, the EPA estimated range of 340 miles. This is the figure you see on the website, the number that sets the expectations for every single person who thinks about buying one. But then reality hits. In a massive 10,000-mile test, the maximum real-world range that owners could squeeze out was just 206 miles. That's a 40% drop. So why the huge difference? Well, it probably comes down to its incredible weight and its shape. That flat front end is basically a brick pushing through the air, which just kills efficiency at highway speeds. And if you thought that was a big drop, oh boy, just you wait. Because for a vehicle that's sold as a pickup truck, its performance while towing is where this story takes its most dramatic and, frankly, its most disappointing turn. This is where the towing story gets absolutely wild. This chart shows a head-to-head test, the brand new Cybertruck versus a 9-year-old Tesla Model X, both pulling the exact same 4,000-pound camper. The Cybertruck barely managed 160 miles of range. The old Model X, 235 miles. That's right, the family SUV completely smoked the brand new, purpose-built truck.
So, after running all the hype through the gauntlet of city driving, hard work, and real-world data, what have we actually learned? It's time to put all the pieces together and deliver our final verdict on what the Cybertruck truly is. When you lay it all out, you get a vehicle that's just full of incredible contradictions. I mean, the pros are undeniable. Its agility in the city is shocking. Its design is an absolute statement piece. The acceleration is breathtaking, and features like the air suspension are genuinely useful. But the cons? They're just as big. The range is a massive letdown, especially for towing. You can't ignore the practical flaws, like those sharp edges and poor visibility. And on top of that, owners have reported some frustratingly slow charging speeds. And for some of the first owners, the problems were way more than just minor annoyances. One owner had so many issues and service trips in the first year alone that he actually used the Lemon Law, that's a consumer protection law for defective cars, to force Tesla to buy the truck back for a full refund. So what should you take away from all this? Well, it comes down to this fundamental question about its legacy. The Cybertruck is, without a doubt, a feat of engineering and imagination. But based on its real-world performance, does it really redefine the pickup truck like it promised? Or is it going to be remembered as this brilliant, audacious, but ultimately niche experiment that just couldn't quite live up to its own legend? That's the question we're left with.